Hello and welcome to this drawing course. My name is Camilo Aguirre. I'm an artist from Colombia, and I would like to teach you how to draw in a very intuitive way. In this course, we will have 6 parts, having a very big first part about the main concepts and the elements that we would have in a drawing. We will learn about organizational line and relational thinking and how can we implement that in our own art, right? So that will be the first part. We will draw with charcoal. We will draw with pencils, like whatever we have at hand. We won't get too much into color in this course because we are going to learn how to draw mainly, and we are learning how to observe. We are going to learn how to observe and how to have like some elements in our drawings, right? And after that big first part, we will have a second part about line variation, and we will learn about line quality, how to convey different things by just having different amounts of pressure with our pencil or different thickness, levels of thickness in the line, right? So line weight and line quality will be very important in this second unit. In the third part, we will approach planar analysis, which is dividing your volumes into planes. This is important to understand the structures of things that are three-dimensional, and then we are trying to convey them as two-dimensional in a plane, right? So this part will be important to analyze different structures, to analyze like how the presence or the structure of an element is, right? Our fourth part will be about perspective. We won't get too deep into perspective, like it'll be like a very short part. Maybe we will see some concepts of linear perspective, right? Like vanishing points, horizon lines, orthogonal lines, and how to implement that, right? After that, we will have a fifth part about value, which means how to control contrast, how to have a value scale, how to shade, how to convey certain textures, right? That'll be our fifth part. It's one of the most fun parts because it's like about playing with like different levels in the grayscale, right? Our sixth part is not so much about observation, like not about like observational elements, but we will have a quick introduction to human figure. From the first to the fifth part, we would have developed like certain observational skills using mainly pictures and still life elements or objects, right? But in the last part, in the sixth part, we will try to draw a human figure, implementing both like quick tips about structures and maybe some other elements like the ones that we have studied from the first to the fifth part, right? So not only we will try to understand like how gesture drawing can develop a pose, but we will also try to analyze the pose with planar analysis or line variation or organizational line. So that'll be the sixth part. And we will make different exercises that might sound like weird, like for example, drawing a crumpled piece of paper, drawing a blind contour drawing, making a composition into simple shapes, but that is to sharpen our observation skills. So I think you should select this course over other courses because my method is very intuitive. I have learned and I have kept learning along the years. I have learned with masters in different areas. Like for example comics or storyboarding or drawing or even sometimes like cartooning, right? So I think that has helped me to have an approach towards observation and intuition more than formulas, because formulas at the slightest shift they are not useful anymore, right? So that's one of the reasons that you should take this course. And also, if you want to learn how to draw and if you want to have fun, if you want to push yourself towards making some very fun exercises, I think that will be useful for you. And I will try to challenge your creativity with this course. I hope you enjoyed the course, and let's get started.